You've heard of investing, but what about the apps millionaires are using right now to quietly multiply their money? Standard advice is great: save, invest, maybe buy property. But the ultra-wealthy play a different game, and it's all happening on their phones. They use tools and platforms most people have never heard of, far beyond Robinhood or Acorns. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on 5 categories of secret money-making apps that automate finances, unlock exclusive deals, and leverage futuristic tech. If you're ready to see what's really on a millionaire's home screen, smash that like button, and let's dive in. This is the stuff they don't want you to know. First up, wealth management. While most people juggle multiple accounts, the wealthy use private banking apps from places like JP Morgan or Goldman Sachs. These apps consolidate everything: stocks, real estate, private equity, even art and crypto, into a single, real-time dashboard. It's not just tracking, it's automation. Set rules for asset allocation, and the app rebalances your portfolio automatically. Think of it as a personal CFO, running your finances 24/7, removing emotion, and enforcing discipline. Security is next-level multi-layered encryption, biometrics, and privacy that puts regular banking apps to shame. The result? Millionaires get a holistic, automated system that frees up their time for bigger opportunities. You can't just download these, but you can start with tools like Empower Personal Dashboard to aggregate your accounts and think strategically. The key is building a system, not just checking balances. Start automating, start thinking like the pros. That's how you level up your financial game. Next, let's see how they get in on the best real estate deals. Let's talk real estate. The best deals? They never hit public sites like Zillow. Millionaires use invite-only platforms, connecting them directly with developers and sponsors for off-market high-return projects. Think luxury condos, commercial portfolios, or fractional ownership in trophy assets. Opportunities you can't find on public apps. These platforms break down big assets into shares, letting investors diversify into high-end real estate without the hassle. The data is institutional-grade, deep financials, developer backgrounds, and market analytics. Platforms like Cadre curate deals and require high minimums, keeping the network exclusive. Can't access these yet? Start by networking locally and seeking off-market deals. Get in early, just like the pros. The principle: find opportunities before the crowd. That's how the wealthy build real estate empires. Now stocks. While most follow Reddit or TV tips, millionaires use AI-driven advisory networks. Think hedge fund level analysis in your pocket. These apps crunch millions of data points, financials, sentiment, even satellite images, to spot market inefficiencies. Access is exclusive high-priced subscriptions or private groups, but the edge is real. The AI doesn't just say buy or sell, it explains why with data-backed reports and tailored recommendations. Some even adapt to your investing style like a personal analyst that gets smarter over time. While you might not pay $20K a year for these, you can use advanced tools like Seeking Alpha Premium or Tip Ranks to start thinking data first. The lesson? Move beyond gut feelings, embrace data-driven investing. That's how the pros win. Let's enter crypto. While most just buy and hold, digital millionaires use crypto arbitrage bots to profit from price differences across exchanges. These bots scan hundreds of markets 24/7, buying low on one exchange and selling high on another, automatically in milliseconds. Each trade is tiny, but hundreds a day add up to real money. It's not risk-free. Setting up bots requires technical know-how and security awareness. The truly wealthy use custom bots for complex strategies, but platforms like Pionex let beginners try with small amounts. The principle: exploit inefficiencies, automate the process, and let technology work for you. Start small, learn the tech, and always manage your risk. The most powerful tool? Networking. The ultra-wealthy use invite-only apps, digital country clubs for top investors and entrepreneurs. Every member is vetted. Access often requires referrals, proof of wealth, or major business success. Inside, the conversations are next-level: real estate moguls, VCs, and founders sharing deals, leads, and insider info. This is where multi-million-dollar opportunities are born: private investments, co-investment deals, and pre-IPO allocations. The value of one connection here can be life-changing. You may not get an invite tomorrow, but you can start building your own network, attend conferences, join investor groups, and connect with people who inspire you. Provide value, build trust, and grow your circle. The wealthy use tech to scale their networks, so can you. There you have it, the 5 types of apps millionaires use to build and manage wealth. Private banking dashboards, exclusive real estate platforms, AI stock advisors, crypto bots, and secret networking apps. The point isn't to make you feel left out, it's to show you the mindset and strategies you can start adopting today. Consolidate your finances, seek information advantages, use data, automate, and build your network. The tools are more accessible than ever, but the principles are timeless. Will you use them, or just scroll past? If you found even one idea here that inspired you, I'd love for you to join our community. Hit that like button to let me know you're ready to take action, and don't forget to subscribe for more insider money-making secrets and practical tips. Together, we're building a smarter, wealthier future, one step at a time. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.